what needs to happen now? No, you need to create commitment. Okay? Like sometimes I ask my clients, do you have a workshop? Did you have a workshop in the past before? And what do you think about it? And sometimes I hear this like, oh, it was a great session. We had a bunch of cool ideas, but then nothing happened. This is like someone say something about this about my work, I would be very sad because if they hired me, I want to have an impact. I want them to have real things that did see the light of day. So this is why what is important in workshop is how can we move from those ideas to something concrete that is going to be implemented. So the commitment phase is this moment where you're going to translate ideas into actions. It can be an action plan, it can be a roadmap, it can be roles and responsibilities, anything that will create a real commitment from the team. Because what you want is that when people leave the room, there is clarity on what needs to happen. If they just have an idea, you give them an excuse to procrastinate and not do it because they don't know how to make it happen. So the question you need to ask yourself is like, how can I make it easy for those guys to implement these ideas?